person, person to person, person to person to person. Instead of just keeping people individually in a well-balanced state, ease ensures a well-balanced state for groups of people as a collective. That is, it realizes social well-being. Ease is an environmental configuration technology that autonomously supports people's diverse activities. Ease captures environmental changes and proactively supports people's actions and maintains harmony between them. Let me explain its technical features. Ease is supported by two technologies: estimation of an individual's condition and situation, which is input for support, and activity environmental intelligence, which supports activities from a group perspective. First, estimation of an individual's condition and situation collects, from a smartphone or a wearable device, sensor data relating to an individual, which continuously changes in response to various activities. It analyzes the collected data and estimates an individual's condition and situation. Second, activity environmental intelligence aggregates the estimated conditions of individuals, analyzes them, and proactively supports the group of individuals. Ease connects that individual with a group of people appropriate for his or her condition and situation. This will lead to a better condition for both the individual and the group as a whole. In this way, ease helps to strengthen the linkage and the sense of unity within the group and bring forth a sense of social well-being. Person, person, person. While individuals care about themselves, ease realizes social well-being, in which individuals care about themselves and support each other as a group. Ease is an environmental configuration technology that autonomously supports people's diverse activities.